विश्वम्भरा वसुधानी प्रतिष्ठा हिरण्यवक्षा जगतो निवेशनी वैश्वानरं बिभ्रति भूमिरग्निम् इन्द्रऋषभा द्रविणेनो दधातु।
Jayakwadi Dam, the Nath Sagar, a splendid water table stretched endlessly like an ocean to the horizon. Crystal clear water, variety of aquatic plants, about 67 species of fish, pleasant blue skyline, and thousands of birds at various vision level. Away from human disturbances, very few scattered trees. In short, it's a paradise for bird watchers. The dam area has negligible vegetation and hardly any trees. But the nearby areas are lush green irrigated agricultural fields and has high potential and rich productivity of aquatic flora and fauna. The dam has a large variety of aquatic vegetation which includes mainly the species of chara, spirogyra, hydrilla, potamogeton, vallisneria, etc. Humans are always inspired by bird behavior. The idea just to emulate a flying bird resulted in the invention of flying machines. Many behaviors of our feathered friends are well studied and well understood, and many remain yet to be unraveled. Bird migration is still a mystery to the scientists. The phenomenon of migration is mostly or always directed from north to south in northern hemisphere, and it is believed that the bird migration is an inheritance of acquired characters. The most amazing aspect of this bird migration is the bird's return to its location faithfully with pinpoint accuracy. The Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary is situated at Nath Sagar Dam with nearly 450 km long shoreline in the vicinity of historical town Paichan. The Paichan was previously known as Pratishthan and was the ancient capital city of Satvahanas from 2nd century BC. Paichan is known as Land of Saints and has rich cultural and philosophical heritage. The town is also famous for its own handcrafted, gold-studded, traditional Paichani silk saris, weaved in local small-scale industries. Jayakwadi is at 50 km motorable distance from Aurangabad and 75 km from Ahmednagar, and both the towns are well connected with regular bus services. Large number of private hotels and government rest houses are available for accommodation at Aurangabad and Paichan. Aurangabad is the only tourist district of India having two World Heritage Monuments to its credit, with Ajanta and Ellora Caves, Daulatabad or Devgiri Fort, and Bibika Maqbara. The foundation stone of Jayakwadi project was laid by the then Prime Minister Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri and completed in 1976. Soon thereafter, facelifting of the whole area has started as the water started spreading over the catchment area. Many environmental and ecological changes were noticed. Now, there is change in groundwater level. There is change in aquatic vegetation. There is change in ecosystem. This biodiversity resulted in the arrival of aquatic birds from all over has given golden touch to the Nath Sagar. This area has attracted many species of resident and migratory birds. Nearly 200 species of birds are sighted in this area, which includes more than 70 species of migratory birds, out of which 45 major species are of foreign migration. They do arrive here between October and March, coming flying from thousands of kilometers from the countries like Nepal, Russia, Siberia, China, Tibet, etc. Some individual species of migratory birds are more than 15,000 in number. Notable amongst migratory birds are cranes, flamingos, shoveler, bar-headed goose, glossy ibis, etc. The best season for bird watching is between October and March. In Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary, bird migration has been studied by the Nisarga Mitra Mandal of Aurangabad and Bombay Natural History Society intermittently since 1980s. Climatic change and biodiversity was soon noticed by the environmentalists. Birdwatchers started observing periodic observations of migratory birds with scientific counting. Experienced bird watchers and ornithologists like Dr. Salim Ali were consulted for sharing their knowledge at Jayakwadi. It was the turning point.
Jayakwadi is a unique bird sanctuary which has different types of the habitats: rocky, mud flats, then shallow water, deep water, grassland. Then we can say that a lot of sand is there, we can find out. Then a lot of trees are now coming up. So different varieties of the habitat provides different shelter places, roosting places, basking places to the different varieties of the birds. As our record says, 234 different varieties in huge number seen in our Jayakwadi, which has a tremendous potential as well as a tourist value also. So I feel that Jayakwadi should be developed in the sense of the bird sanctuary, which gives full protection to the birds, can develop, and different types of the habitat will be protected, as well as the more habitats can be provided to the birds, so that birds can come more in number, because again birds are helpful for the restoring the lakes, enriching the environment, as well as the eutrophication of this dam is certainly will be stopped, or the process will be prolonged. So the life of the Jayakwadi Dam will be definitely increasing.
On the basis of various recommendations and reports submitted by the various study panel, government took immediate action and declared the whole Jayakwadi Dam area, admeasuring 33,980 hectares and 125 hectares of Jnaneshwar Udyan as bird sanctuary under the government notification on the 10th October 1986. Adjacent near Paichan, the Sant Jnaneshwar Udyan, spread over 125 hectares, is set up on the lines of famous Vrindavan Gardens of Karnataka. The park area is a nesting place for variety of garden birds. The entire sanctuary is administered by the Wildlife Wing of Maharashtra's Department of Forest and falls under Wildlife Protection Act.
We have conducted a large number of awareness campaigns in all the villages situated in the periphery of the Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary. We have taken the help of the local NGOs and local organizations and all the local bird watchers who have gone to all these villages and made local people aware about the importance of saving these birds, these visitors which are coming from other countries. These are our guests and they have to be protected. And I am very happy to say then that all the local people have cooperated with us, and there have been no poaching incidents in the last 5 years in this sanctuary. The area of the Jayakwadi Bird Sanctuary is huge, actually more than 34,000 hectares. Therefore, it is not possible for any bird watcher or any person to cover the entire area. Therefore, in order to facilitate bird watching and to make sure that the bird watchers enjoy the maximum in the shortest possible time, we have identified 14 points all along the periphery of the sanctuary where the bird concentrations are more and the bird diversity is also more. So it will be easier for a person to reach one of these points and actually see more number of birds in less number of time.
And now about the ecotourism in Jayakwadi Sanctuary. Maharashtra state has an ecotourism policy under preparation which is going to come up in the near future. But so far as Jayakwadi is concerned, we are already into a bit of ecotourism efforts being done by the Forest Department, and we are trying to attract not only the normal people who are coming for the sanctuary visit, but mostly the students.
We have started something what we call as winged tourism or a Pankh Paryatan, in which the Forest Department is acting only as a facilitator and a regulator. The entire facilities, right from travel, food, accommodation, local transport and guide services will be provided by private and entrepreneurs. In this we have tried to build the capacity of the local people so that they get the maximum benefits out of the tourists that are coming to visit the sanctuary.
School children can watch birds in their school curriculum and develop their aptitude. To give better facilities, the Forest Department has identified certain points from where bird watchers can observe various activities of the birds and enjoy divine colors of the nature. An expert guide and boating can also be organized on request. Government is also encouraging an innovative concept of Vihang Yatra, a novel concept of bird tourism with a blend of nature trek, adventure and bird watching. Young children, foreign visitors and domestic groups can plan special bird watching programs. Every morning, the sun sparks gold across ripple of gentle lake from miles of horizon. Breakfast forks flash through air till thousands of birds arrive to dodge and fight for bits of food. And it's a start of another busy day. In every winter at Jayakwadi, it is respectful to realize heaven in the every moment that you visit it. You will witness brilliant formation of cranes, floating of ducks, acrobats of seagull, mystics of flying various birds, bright colors of flamingos, thousands and thousands of birds, where your inspirations and race to learn will begin with new thoughts and new hopes. It motivates with new thought to overcome day-to-day struggle and fresh hopes to achieve new heights and long flights.